This video will demonstrate do-it-yourself disaster recovery for Amazon EC2 instances in just 2 minutes. Protecting mission-critical EC2 instances involves replicating snapshots of production EC2 instances across regions. Start by identifying the production instance you want to protect, for example, a LAMP server hosted in Ireland. Next, provision a backup instance in the DR region using the same AMI as the primary, for example from the AWS Marketplace, and using Paris as the failover target. Then take a snapshot of the primary volume or volumes by identifying the block devices of the primary instance and selecting Snapshot, in this case the single root volume of the LAMP server. Once the snapshot is complete, replicate that snapshot to the DR region using the Copy Snapshot facility in the AWS UI, and in this case selecting Paris as the target. Wait for replication to complete. It could take some time depending on the data size and distance. Next, create a volume from the replicated snapshot in the DR region, which will eventually be attached to the DR instance, it having the latest data from the primary. Detach the existing volume from the DR instance. It has old data that is no longer necessary. Attach the newly created volume from the replicated snapshot to the DR instance. Make sure to name the disk the same as the disk on the primary, such as dev SDA1. The instance is now ready for failover. You can test the instance by briefly powering it on and off. The steps are complete. Clean up the unnecessary objects to minimize your cost. First, delete the original volume that was detached from the DR instance. Then, delete the replicated snapshot from which the new volume was created. Finally, delete the original snapshot at the primary. Repeat these steps starting from snapshotting the primary on a regular basis to keep your DR instance up to date. Perform these steps for all mission-critical instances. As you can see, this process is straightforward, but to do it yourself for many instances would take time out of your busy day. Marketplace vendors want to charge you thousands to automate a procedure that can be explained in 2 minutes. Can't someone charge a reasonable price to automate this? Funny you should ask. Check out our product, Thunder for EC2, on the AWS Marketplace. Everything in this video and more for just $20 per month, or visit www.thundertech.io. Thanks.